Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Reflect Mini noise cancellation earbuds, and I'm going to show you how we can fix the problem when they are not visible in your available device, at least on the Bluetooth, and how we can move them to the pairing mode manually. So you have to keep that case open just like that. Another step, you have to rotate the case, focus on this button on the back of the charging case, and you have to simply tap on this button 2 times. So take a look. Just like that. When you make it, this indicator on the front will start blinking like that quickly. And after that, they will pop on the list. So we can just simply click on them once and connect. As you can see, that's how we can move to the pairing mode JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation earbuds. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.